when you create a list, maybe of instructions, of questions, or whatever inside of your assignments, don't type in 1.2 point, 3 point, whatever. Instead, use the actual list function in the Rich Content Editor's toolbar. And the reason why you want to do this is not only will it make it a better looking product for your students to follow, but when students are visually impaired, they rely on screen readers. Those screen readers can pick up that code demonstrates that is a list, and it will say this is an ordered list or this is an unordered list, whether it's a number or bullet points. When you don't have that, it won't actually speak that to them. So somebody that is visually impaired is actually missing out on the context of that list. Okay, so how do you do that? Very easily. Here I've got the wrong example. You see I've typed in 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever. And all I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight it. I'm going to come up here to my toolbar, and I'm going to make this an ordered list. So I'm going to hit the checkbox down, and I'm going to choose that one. And you can see it didn't delete my numbers, so I'm going to go ahead and delete those. Now, one of the things I don't like is that it puts them really close together. So I can fix that by highlighting it, coming up here and clicking paragraph, and bam, it gives me a little bit of space. Let's go ahead and save that and see what it looks like to the student. And there we go. So now when a screen reader reads this, it will pick up that it is an ordered list. And in my instructions here, I'm actually asking them to copy and paste this into the Rich Content Editor. And so when they do that, let this reload. Oh, it's not available because it's not published. When they do that, it's actually going to copy that code as well. So it's going to make it easier for them as the student. So if I come and I highlight this with the code, I don't know how to use a computer today. Right there, right click, copy, hit submit assignment, and paste this in there. Notice that it pasted in that ordered list as well, and so they can then type and respond easily with using that same organization structure. So